Ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, His Excellency Dr. Mudavadi, and His Excellency Right Honorable Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister of the Republic. Karibuni. Asante. Thank you very much. Haya. Niko sawa. Your Excellency Dr. Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary. Hebu niongezee sauti. Dr. Mudavadi, Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency Right Honorable Raila Odinga, former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, aka Baba. Leader of the minority, Mheshimiwa Wandai, nimeona Balozi Odembo hapa pamoja na sisi, senior government officials present, colleagues, esteemed colleagues from the Fourth Estate, karibuni sana. May I take this opportunity first and foremost to tender our sincere apology for the delay. We were to start this slightly earlier, but hapajaharibika neno. And welcome to this press briefing. And at this juncture, we are going to have our two esteemed leaders to update us on the status of Kenya's bid on the African Union Commission chairmanship or leadership. And thereafter, we'll have a Q&A. We'll have about 6 questions. We will appreciate that the questions align with the subject of this briefing. And thereafter, we'll have 2 photo session, 1 a group photo, and 2 will have the 2 leaders alone on the photo. I thank you most sincerely. Without further ado, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, you have the floor.
Okay. Thank you. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Thank you. Good morning, everybody. The Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am pleased to have you all here. Thank you for turning up. Today, I want to update the nation on the status of Kenya's candidacy for the African Union Commission chairmanship. But before I proceed, let me thank the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for the fruitful meeting and progressive discussions we have had this morning. As you already know, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is Kenya's candidate for the chairmanship of the African Union Commission in the elections slated for February next year, that is 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, on this, we have a visionary leader to fire up the African Union to greater levels. The Right Honorable Raila is a Pan-Africanist who naturally espouses the Think Africa above all guiding principle of the AU Commission. Indeed, he holds dear the African Union's ambition of being a people-centered organization. The candidates' experience and leadership philosophy align with the AU's Commission's values of efficiency, professionalism, and respect for diversity. We have no doubt the candidate will pursue excellence in line with the continent's collective aspirations of the Africa we want in 2063, as framed in the AU's development framework of Agenda 2063. Let me laud our President, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for fully endorsing the candidate and continuing to extensively engage with his counterparts in diverse regions of the continent. So far, our candidature has been positively received. The President has energized our foreign policy, thus successfully positioning our country as a champion of African affairs in the international arena. As the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs, I continue to amplify the President's Track 1 diplomacy by engaging my counterparts across the continent. We do all this for the good of our people, Kenya's national interest, and the prosperity of our continent. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the principle of interregional rotation, this is the time for Eastern Africa to nominate a candidate for the position of African Union Commission chairperson. Therefore, as per the schedule of the AU elections calendar, the deadline for the submission of the regional nominations to the AU Commission is 6th August 2024, 2 months from now. Overall, the campaigns are led by the state with highly experienced and knowledgeable officers. The State Department for Foreign Affairs has established a campaign secretariat which includes the candidate's strategy team. The secretariat will prepare all the briefs for use by the candidate, develop campaign materials, including digital presence, and prepare for the public debate to be broadcast live to African citizens. This will take place 6 months before the election date. Currently, the team is firming up preparatory and application documents together with requisite translations of the resume into 6 AU languages. That is French, English, Kiswahili, Arabic, Portuguese, and Spanish. This should be ready for submission to the AU Secretariat by the end of June 2024. An empirical campaign strategy has been developed, which includes identifying opportunities, challenges, and risks that our candidature faces. Additionally, the campaign involves outreach programs to capitals of AU member states, briefing of Kenya missions abroad, and engagements with diplomatic corps in Nairobi. Kenya is certain that our candidate, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, has credentials and the passion to advocate for Africa's interests globally and champion for more opportunities for Africa and her people. I now invite the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga to make his remarks. Thank you.